In which year the United Provinces renamed as Uttar Pradesh? Answer B. 1950. Which one is the largest district in Uttar Pradesh by area wise? Answer A. Lakhimpur Kheri. Jagat Guru Rambhadracharya Handicap University, which is only university exclusively for the disabled, is located in which district? Answer D. Chitrakoot. Total number of districts in Uttar Pradesh? Answer D. 75. Who was the first Chief Minister Uttar Pradesh? Answer C. Govind Ballabh Pant. Who was the first Governor Uttar Pradesh? Answer B. Sarojini Naidu. In which year the Banaras Hindu University was established? Answer C. 1916. In which year the Central Drug Research Institute was established? Answer A. 1951. Total number of Lok Sabha constituency in Uttar Pradesh? Answer D. 80. Which one is the state flower of Uttar Pradesh? Answer B. Plash. In which district the Nawabganj Bird Sanctuary is located? Answer C. Unnao district. Which one is the largest district of Uttar Pradesh by population? Answer A. Agra. When the Allahabad High Court was established? Answer B. 1869. Who was the first Indian Chief Justice of the Allahabad High Court? Answer D. Shah Muhammad Sulaiman. Who was the Speaker of the first Uttar Pradesh Legislative Assembly in 1952? Answer B. Atmaram Govind Kher. Uttar Pradesh is the largest state in India by area wise. Answer C. 4th. Which one is the longest river bridge in Uttar Pradesh? Answer A. New Yamuna Bridge. In which year Govind Ballabh Pant received the Bharat Ratna Award? Answer B. 1957. The Aligarh Muslim University was established in the year? Answer A. 1875. Who established the Aligarh Muslim University? Answer C. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. Who was the first Vice Chancellor of Banaras Hindu University? Answer D. Sir Sundar Lal. The Allahabad University was established in the year? Answer B. 1887. Which day is celebrated as National Sport Day in the memory of Dhyan Chand? Answer B. 29th August. In which year the National Stadium Delhi was renamed as Dhyan Chand National Stadium? Answer D. 2002. Which Mughal emperor built the Fatehpur Sikri city? Answer B. Akbar. Beside Hindi, which one is the other official language of Uttar Pradesh? Answer C. Urdu. The English daily newspaper The Pioneer was established in the year? Answer A. 1865. Who was the president of the first Lucknow season of the Indian National Congress in 1899? Answer D. Ramesh Chandra Dutt. Which one is the state flower of Uttar Pradesh? Answer D. Palash. Which one is the largest city by population in Uttar Pradesh? Answer C. Kanpur. Kanpur is also known as the Dash of the East. Answer B. Manchester. Who was the founder of the autonomous kingdom of Awadh? Answer A. Sadat Khan. The Central Institute of Subtropical Horticulture is located at. Answer C. Lucknow. In UP Urdu Training and Research Center is situated in. Answer C. Lucknow. Which one of the following is not a folk song of Uttar Pradesh? Answer B. Dola Maru. Sayyid Salar Fair is held at. Answer A. Bahraich. Firozabad is famous for producing. Answer A. Bangles. In Uttar Pradesh, uranium is available in the district of. Answer D. Lalitpur. Which one is the highest dam in Uttar Pradesh? Answer D. Ramganga. Obra Thermal Power Plant was established with the help of. Answer A. Soviet Russia. In Uttar Pradesh, which one of the following tribes has the highest population? Answer B. Tharu. The city of Jaunpur was founded by. Answer B. Firoz Shah Tughlaq. Which of the following city of Uttar Pradesh is not joined by National Highway 2? Answer D. Lucknow. Who was the author of the book Bandi Jeevan? Answer D. Sachindra Sanyal. In Uttar Pradesh, a lion safari is being established in. Answer B. Etawah. In Uttar Pradesh, IT city is being established in. Answer C. Lucknow. In which year the capital of United Provinces shifted from Allahabad to Lucknow? Answer A. 1920. Which one is the only river in Uttar Pradesh that do not emerge from Himalayas? Answer D. Gomti. Jagat Guru Rambhadracharya Handicap University, which is the only university in the world exclusively for the disabled, is located in. Answer B. Chitrakoot. The Doban movement in UP was started in the year. Answer C. 1866. The number of agroclimate zone in Uttar Pradesh is. Answer D. 9. Biotechnology Park is located at. Answer A. Lucknow. Who was the first person who referred Agra by its modern name? Answer D. Ptolemy. Which Mughal empire introduced the concept of square Persian style gardens in Agra? Answer A. Babur. In which year the Jantar Mantar was built in Varanasi? Answer B. 1737. Who was the last Nawab of Awadh? Answer D. Wajid Ali Shah. In which year a Safed Dola moved its capital of Awadh from Firozabad to Lucknow? Answer B. 1775.